bearers of IACD, all the members of IACD and batch 2020 of IBMRE, all our well-wishers and all the viewers of today's event. As we all know, we are passing through a tough time. This program was supposed to start in the month of April 2020, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, we have started this program in this month, that is September, against all odds. We all 5 mentors are working constantly, continuously and sincerely to make this program one of the best program in the world. In Corona times also, we are working daily for this program. We organized many Zoom meetings, many teleconferencing and had lots of brainstorming. One of our strong pillar of this program, Dr. Cecil Singh, will throw more lights on the details of this program. This program has got widespread popularity in a very short time. We have got many international faculties to guide us. Some of them, they are with us online right now. Dr. R.S. Mohan Kumar, our mentor at Chennai Center, will provide more details of international faculties. I am happy to announce that batch 2020 is full at all 5 centers. Sitting President of IACD, Vice President of IACD, principals of various dental colleges, senior faculties and practitioners are registered for this fellowship program. Madam Dr. Jayashree Hegde Anil, our mentor at Bangalore Center, will submit details of entire batch 2020 registered fellow. Once again, we cordially welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of IBMRE, which is the rarest program of the world and proud program of IACDE. Let us start this event with Ganesh Vandana by Dr. Sucheta Sathe. Madam Sathe, please.
Good morning.
She is performing inaugural program by lightening of the lamp.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
please start.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Girish Parmar, sir. I have just lit the lamp on behalf of our chief guest, President of Dental Council of India, Dr. Majumdar, guest of honor, Dr. Chandrasekhar, and all the dignitaries. Thank you so much. And I will be performing a Ganesh Vandana written by Santa Shri Tulsidas. गाइए गणपति गजवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक, सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबनायक शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मोदक प्रिय मुद मंगल दाता मोदक प्रिय मुद मंगल दाता विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे बसहु राम सिया मानस मोरे बसहु राम सिया मानस मोरे शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन
Very nice, madam. Thanks, Dr. Suchita, madam, for melodious and pious prayer.
Thank you.
Now I invite and request our chief guest, respected President DCI and great visionary, Dr. Majumdar sir, to address and bless us.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Now, first of all, my thanks to Dr. Shishir Singh, Professor Shishir Singh, and equally the one of the juniors most energetic, Mohan, for taking this initiative to make it successful in this pandemic also in the country. Both of them has worked hard so that in the pandemic situation also, we can inaugurate and we can start. And I have come to know from Girish Parmar and the senior fellow, you know that we have a lot of senior people, advisor on top of that, like Girish Parmar, Anil Chandra, then Karunakar, lot of people are there. Now, considering that this is a teamwork, they have worked hard. And I'm very happy to know that the 10 seats has been filled up immediately. Now, please do not consider me as a president of DCI when my specialty is there. I am one of the senior most member in my specialty. My number is 54. So you can guess that how senior I am in this specialty. DCI is coming, going, everything it is going on. But specialty will remain still my death. So we have to think about my specialty. As far as the microscope is concerned, when I was a principal and teacher in R. Ahmed Dental College, This is the first dental college who had the 2 microscope in 2006. We have installed, that is a molar dental, including the video of each and every cases. So I have trained and also I have learned, because we have seen the 3 phases of endodontics or restorative dentistry. Because late 70s, 80s, then rotaries, then it is a microscope. And we have experienced everything. And at this present moment, the microscope is the only latest equipment by which we can give a maximum good result of each and every case, whether it is a conservative or whether it is an endodontics. When I feel my earlier root canal before 2000 and all, when these cases are coming now, after this pro-taper system and the microscope, I always feel probably what I have done in that time is all wrong. I cannot compare which now is there. Can you imagine that in any case, you are just seeing the apex of a tooth through the microscope? So this is our duty to train the next generation. So I must thank the hard work of Mohan and Shishir also. I have given another responsibility to Shishir as an editor, interim editor. He is really working hard. And as far as the Dental Council of India is concerned, we are trying our level best to recognize all the fellowship courses. We have already sent this thing to the government of India. It is not only microscope, it is in implantology, it is in laser, everything. We have formulated and we have sent to the government of India. Until and unless it is not passed by the government of India, we cannot claim from the DCI, nobody can claim that it is an degree. But whether I am getting from DCI or not, that is a secondary issue. But they will be the expert, these 10 students, and they will be the expert in the country for the future. And I never mind to learn from my student also. When I bought the microscope first in R. Ahmed Dental College in 2006, I have only one DCNA book, which I was going through, and I am trying. Even I thought, no, it is not enough. So I called some of my students from the country to give a lecture or demo to all my PG students. Now, they came and they have trained my PG student, and I am still learning on the microscope. Now, I hope this particular, today you are taking 10, the day will come, you have to make arrangement for 100 students all over the country. It is our duty in the association. I have told Mohan also, I mean the Secretary Mohan, to give a separate budget for this Indian Board of Restorative and Microscopic Restorative and Endodontics. I hope he has done it, and he must have received. And we are unable to meet in this pandemic situation, but I never thought within such in a pandemic situation, you people are be able to connect so many foreign speakers, so many advisors all over the world in India. And I also thank Girish Parmar for giving time, continuously nurturing the Mohan and all, because I may not get time due to the council. But our duty at this present moment to give this particular training to all the students of conservative dentistry and endodontics in the country. So I hope our association will work fast, and more students will be trained. And I believe, which we all of have promised, that we are not giving this training for earning money. The limited whichever minimum required, we are taking from the students. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a very good venture. Now, council, dental council, already we have conducted 10 webinar. We have not charged a single paisa to either student or the colleges. And every webinar, we are increasing the participants in this pandemic also. So you have a knowledge. Now it's a time to give your knowledge to my next generation, our students. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to say a few words. I hope all the success. Still, I close my eyes to see this ISCD is in the top, in the microscope. I hope you will do that. Thank you very much.
We'll do that. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you very much
Thank you, sir.
for sparing your valuable time.
Thank you very much.
We
I'm
assure-
sorry, I have a issue going on. Some important decision is there. So you please carry on.
We want you for 5 minutes, sir. 5 more minutes, sir, please.
Fine.
Sir, we assure you that we will raise the bar of IBMRE through enhancement of skill and knowledge. Sir, IBMRE is now associated with Microscopic Dental Club Italy,
I saw that. Good.
which is world's largest microscopic organization and catering the dental surgeons all over the globe.
Right.
The
Very-
Microscopic Dental Club Italy is proud to confer honorary fellowship to our beloved President DCI, Dr. Majumdar sir, for his outstanding contribution in the field of dentistry.
Thank you.
We thank Dr. Maurizio, the President and founder of club, for this kind gesture. We request sir to accept the honor, sir.
Thank you very much for giving me the honor. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you. Now you please go ahead with your program.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now I request President ISCD, Dr. V. Chandrasekhar, to address, please.
Greetings to all the ISCD members. I'm very excited to be in this platform as a guest of honor today. As all of us are very well aware that the world is undergoing through a very tough situation and a rough situation caused by this COVID-19 pandemic. Conferences are getting postponed, meeting people is becoming difficult, coming out of the house is becoming risky. Everybody are locked down at home and life has come to a standstill. Nevertheless, our association and the team were successful in nurturing the fellowship program IBMRE to this shape. At this juncture, I should mention the support and encouragement given by our President, Dental Council of India, Dr. Debendra Majumdar sir, to start this IBMRE program. ISCD has got very enthusiastic members who put their heart and soul to make a mark of our society at international level. And one among them is our own young and dynamic secretary, Dr. Mohan Bhuvaneshwaran. We all know the association is growing in rapid phase with numbers increasing to close to 7,500. And our specialty is the first choice in dentistry. As ISCD president, I feel proud that under my leadership today, we are going to achieve another milestone by starting the fellowship program IBMRE. I should mention our president's name because he has helped us in this program wholeheartedly. We are also very proud that our own ISCD member and DCI president is the guest of honor today, and we thank him, sir. I should mention the names of the people who have been behind this IBMRE program and who are working very hard for the fellowship program and getting international affiliations. I thank Dr. Shishir Singh sir, Dr. Girish Parmar sir, Dr. Jayashree, Dr. Sai Kalyan, and our own Assistant Secretary, Dr. Mohan Kumar, who have been working day and night for this program to get into this shape. And also they have been advised by Dr. Karnakar sir and Dr. Anil Chandra sir. Today we are inaugurating this IBMRE program. A big thank you to one and all. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Thanks a lot, Mr. President, for your best wishes and faith in us. Now I invite and request our Secretary General, Dr. V. Mohan, to address.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning to all of you. Dear President Dr. Debendra Majumdar sir was there. All the colleagues, a warm welcome to this historic event today. It's really a history, sir. For us, it's a big milestone in the history of IACD, and we thank the team who's worked really, really hard for this day. At the outset, I would like to thank the President, IACD, Dr. Chandrasekhar sir, for his full support and his continuous guidance in this program. A heartfelt thanks from the head office to Dr. Shishir sir, Girish Parmar sir, Mohan Kumar, Jayashree ma'am, and Sai Kalyan, who've been working really, really hard. Sir, Girish sir, you know that it's always been a team effort, right?
Correct, sir.
So we have proved it once more, very, very right. So it's never been individual, no individual praises. The team, which is given the responsibility, has worked so hard. The hard work is now showing out. So it is always a team effort for IACD, and that is proved right now with so many things happening. And the head office is really proud because it's a historic day today. Once again, we'd like to thank Dr. Shishir sir, Girish sir, Mohan Kumar, Jayashree, and Sai Kalyan for their tireless effort. And the new members who have joined for the program, very best of wishes to you, and all the best to all of you for this successful program. Sure, like what our President, General Council of India, Dr. Debendra Majumdar told, one day will grow in big number. Thank you, sir.
Sincere thanks to Secretary General Dr. V. Mohan for your valuable guidance and the way ahead. Thanks. We'll conclude this program by vote of thanks by Dr. Sai Kalyan. And before that, now I hand over to Dr. Shishir Singh, the Editor-in-Chief of our Journal and Principal of Tirna Dental College, Mumbai, and Dr. Mohan Kumar, our Joint Secretary IACD, for further proceedings.
Thank you, sir. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Girish Parmar, sir. Honorable President DCI, who has just gone for his meeting, our President IACD, Dr. Chandrasekhar, our Honorable Secretary IACD, Dr. Mohan, our international faculty, a warm welcome to Sanjay Viron. Hi, Viron, how are you? To Krisa from Greece, welcome Krisa, Dr. Kranti Raja from Malaysia, and Professor Lorenzo from Italy, from the Microscopic Dental Club. Thank you so much and welcome at the inauguration. We are very happy to have all of you all here. So, and to all our fellow viewers and our IACD family, a warm welcome from IBMRE. So let me tell you something about the fellowship program that we have initiated. Right, the IBMRE started sometime in 2018, and we've been working, the whole team has been working relentlessly to see this particular day. And we are so happy today that we have reached this place. So we look, what is this fellowship all about? As I always say, it's basically the aim and the vision of this IBMRE is to create a special niche or specialist practicing microscope enhanced dentistry, and to provide a platform for all our members to achieve the same. It's very important that we create an awareness about magnification amongst the public and the general dentists. Our mission is, in this fellowship program, is that we learn and create together a platform to master all the skills that we need. And how are we going to master these skills? By learning through various processes to enhance your knowledge in the practice of microscope enhanced dentistry. We're going to use various skills. We're going to use psychomotor skills, where we're going to work on manual tasks, fine motor and hand skill development, visual acuity, auditory acuity, and communication. Besides the psychomotor skills, we are going to develop our cognitive skills, learn to solve problems, evaluate work, and generate new ways and techniques using magnification and routine practice. Also, we are going to have our affective skills developed, where we most importantly do knowledge sharing and problem solving through open forums, discussions, and case presentations. For achieving all this, we have the IBMRE centers all over India. Let's have a look at the centers that we have right now. In alphabetical order, our first center is at Ahmedabad. Our second center is in Bangalore. Our third center is in Chennai. fourth is at New Delhi, and the fifth is in Mumbai. Each of these centers is headed by a specific mentor. We have a batch intake of 2 students per mentor. Our batch is already full for this particular intake. Our next batch commences on the 1st of February 2021. So now let's have a look at our mentors, right? So Ahmedabad is mentored by none other than Dr. Girish Parmar, Professor, Head of Department. He's the Dean of Government Dental College, Ahmedabad, past President of the IACD, and also the Additional Director, Gujarat State Medical Education and Research. He has more than 35 years of teaching experience. Then we have the Bangalore Center, headed by Dr. Jayashree Hegde, who was formerly the professor and the head of department, Oxford Dental College, Bangalore. She right now runs a very upmarket, stylish private practice called the Rich Top Dental Clinic in Bangalore. Our Chennai Center is run by or headed by a very, very smart, young, dynamic gentleman, Dr. Mohan Kumar, who is also the Joint Secretary of the IACD, Professor at Priyadarshini Dental College, the Deputy Editor of the Journal of Conservative Dentistry. He's a diploma in lasers from Arnhem University, Germany, a fellow in implantology, and has his own private practice named Yours Dentally. We have the New Delhi Center, handled by a very young gentleman who is loved by all the ladies of the IACD family, none other than Dr. Sai Kalyan, who was formerly Professor and Head of Rural Dental College, Loni, and he's the Director of Research and Academics at Prevest Dentpro Limited, Jammu. And finally, Mumbai is handled by me, Dr. Shishir Singh. I'm the Dean Professor at Tena Dental College. I was working at the UCL Eastman Dental Hospital, London. At present, I'm the Editor-in-Chief of the Journal of Conservative Dentistry, and I run a private practice called the Root Canal Company in Mumbai. So what are we looking at the outcomes of this course are that we learn all these skills. We learn all these different techniques, become masters and masters of micro-restorative endodontics and restorative dentistry, use magnification in our daily practice, and not stop at that. We go ahead, do a lot of research and publish our work, okay? And also foster learning by collaborations both nationally and internationally. And just the way we learn, we also see to it that others start learning and we start teaching them. So in conclusion, I would like to bring this thing out very importantly. The final goal is to develop IBMRE centers in every state of India and take IACD to the next level. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for patient hearing. With these few words, I now hand over the mic to Dr. Mohan Kumar, who will tell us about the international faculty. Dr. Mohan Kumar, would you like to do screen sharing? You need to share the screen.
Yeah, sir, you should close the screen.
We've done that.
No, sir, your screen is still in share. Yeah, thank you. Good morning to all. I am here to share the international faculty which is associated with IBMRE. I'm very, very happy to share this because as IACD, a member of IACD and a board member of IBMRE, we have reached out to the world to share, to learn, and to imbibe knowledge from various parts of the world. So this will present the number of international faculties which are associated with IBMRE. To start with, we start from USA, is Dr. Avina. She is a diplomat and of American Board of Endodontics, professor, Department of Endodontics, University of Washington, and School of Dentistry, Seattle. Next is Dr. Sanjay. He's from London. He has finished his BDS, MSc, MClindent, MFDS, MRD, all from Eastman University, and he's a honorary clinical teacher from Eastman Dental Institute and Faculty of Medical Sciences. Next, we have Dr. Viron. He's from Isles of Man. He has finished his DDS, MSc Endodontics, and runs a beautiful private practice in Isles of Man. And I have seen his website particularly, and it is really, really wonderful. And I think he focuses most of his practice towards microendodontics and restorative. Next, we have Dr. Trissa from Greece. She has also finished her graduation from Eastman Dental Institute, and she's a private practitioner from Greece. We welcome you all, and it's nice to have you with us. Next is Dr. Giamparo. He's from Australia. He's a professor, head, and department of Adelaide Dental School, University of Adelaide. Then we have our own Kranti Raja, which we have actually made in India, but he's still in Malaysia. He is the Deputy Dean, Associate Professor of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Masa University. He's a very nice gentleman, a beautiful human being. We welcome you to IBMRE, sir. Next, we have Dr. Badi from Saudi Arabia. He has his BDS from King Saud University, Masters of Clinical Dentistry, and at present, he is the head of Conservative Dental Sciences Department, College of Dentistry from the University of Saudi Arabia. And then we have our very own Dot Mauricio, a wonderful man, a beautiful presenter. I myself have seen some of his work, and trust me, what I mean is he's extremely good. He holds a private practice in Barbania, and he is the co-founder of Microscopic Dental Clubs. With this, IBMRE is also proud to present the affiliations which it got with the Microscopic Dental Club. The whole idea of having an affiliation was we wanted to train us, our students, and at the same time, imbibe knowledge from the other parts of the world. We welcome you all to IBMRE so that you, we, us grow together. Thank you all. I think Dr. Jayashree ma'am will take it up from now.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan. Good morning and probably evening in different parts of the world. At the onset, I would like to thank ISCD for giving us this opportunity to start IBMRE. It's my privilege to introduce the first batch of fellows for this year, 2020. I would like to introduce Dr. Chandrasekhar, who is the president of ISCD. He's a Dean, Malla Reddy Dental College for Women in Hyderabad. He has 24 years of experience post his PG. This is a postgraduate. Dr. Shika Khanodia, who is BDS and MDS, is an associate professor at Government Dental College, Ahmedabad. She is the vice president of ISCD and has 25 years of experience post PG. Dr. Dax Abraham is a professor and head Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at Manav Rachna Dental College, Faridabad, who has 15 years of experience post-PG. Dr. Adarsh MS is a professor, Department of Conservative Dentistry, and he's from Bangalore, VS Dental College, Bangalore, has 13 years of experience post-PG. Dr. Abhishek Parmar, who is an assistant professor and also a PhD scholar at Government Dental College, Ahmedabad. He has 13 years of experience post-PG. Dr. Mohit Gunwal, who is a PhD scholar, is an assistant professor at VSPM Dental College, Nagpur, and has 8 years of experience post-PG. Dr. Sonal, Assistant Professor and PhD Scholar, VSPM Dental College and Research Center, Nagpur, has 6 years of experience post-PG. Dr. Ameya Parlikar, who is a consultant in Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, was a lecturer at M.A. Rangunwala College of Dental Sciences, Pune. He has a private practice and has 3 years of experience post-PG. And Dr. Vijay Vikash, who is a private practitioner at Coimbatore, has 3 years of experience post-PG. I welcome you all for this program. And the youngest of all is Dr. Ahmed Bashir, who has 2 years of experience and is a senior lecturer at Terna Dental College, Nerul, Navi Mumbai. Welcome you all. So we have a good set of fellows for this year, starting from almost 25 years of experience to 2 years of experience. We look forward to training you and make sure you reach new heights in microscopic dentistry. Thank you, one and all.
That's lovely. So we have a very young batch of students who are getting younger, learning about the magnification. Before we go to the vote of thanks, once again, a warm welcome to our foreign faculty. And if any of you would like to share a few thoughts with us, we'd be happy to listen from you all. We have Dr. Maurizio, if you'd like to say something. Viron, Sanjay, or Chris.
I'd like to thank you for being a part of this, especially Dr. Shishir Singh, who I haven't seen personally for 12 years, I think, 12, 13 years. I get to see friends here, which I'm really pleased to, and meet new. Congratulations for this venture, and honestly, I'm honored to be part of this and contribute in any way I can possibly can.
Thanks, Viron, for your kind words. Krisa, you need to unmute yourself. You need to unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry for. It's okay now?
Yes.
Yes. Lots of greetings from Greece. It's such a pleasure for me to join this group. I hope I would have as many fruitful discussions and meetings, and all the best to this new beginning.
Thank you. Thank you, Krisa. Thank you. Professor Maurizio, would you like to share your thoughts with us?
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
I would like to bring greetings of my international association. I'm happy and honored of this collaboration that may be reached in a mutual exchange of knowledge.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I apologize, but I've got to work here in Italy. It's 8:45 a.m. and at 9 I start working in my office.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Excuse me.
No issues. My dear friend Sanjay from Sanjay Ardeshna, would you like to say a few words to us? You need to unmute yourself.
Yes, thank you very much for the invitation to join this wonderful group. It's good to see everyone here, and I look forward to hopefully meeting people physically in the future.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Dr. Kranti Raja.
First of all, I would like to congratulate ISEDE and IBMRI for this wonderful venture. I think it's a need of the hour. I think, as the President DCA mentioned, magnification is the way to go. I am privileged and honored. I can see many familiar faces, my seniors. Always feel nice and excited to talk to all my friends in India. So I hope I can contribute in whichever way I can to make this fellowship a wonderful, I'm sure under the able leadership of IACDE. And I think a special mention of thanks to Dr. Shishir and Dr. Mohan, who have taken all these pains to make it a grand event. Thank you very much. Congratulations, and all the new fellows who have enrolled, all the best. Do your best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kranti. I now request Dr. Sai Kalyan to give the vote of thanks.
Hello to everyone. As said earlier, it is a historic day to IACD as well as IBMRE. Today, we realized our dreams of getting the board up and running, even in these hard and difficult times. I would firstly like to thank Dr. Dibyendu Majumdar, sir, President Dental Council of India, for gracing this occasion and being strongly behind us since the beginning. My sincere gratitude to all the international members who agreed to be with us and made time to be here early in the morning. I take this opportunity to thank the President IACD, Dr. V. Chandrasekhar, and the Honorable Secretary, Dr. B. Mohan, for their constant support from the beginning. I thank the sponsors, Shofu, Dentsply, and Privis Denpro Limited for their timely support when we needed the most. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all my fellow board members, advisors, and technical teams involved in chalking out every single detail to make this happen today. Thanks to each one of you who made time to join us and share our joy and happiness. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Last thank you to Dr. Suchita Sate for singing the Ganesh Vandana. Thank you very much. Thank you very much all of you all for being here. And I think we call it a day. Get back to your lives. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Thank
you. Thank you. Best wishes. Best wishes to
you.
all of you.
Bye. All the best.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.